So, hello everyone. I am Divya Paledra, and today is on paper number 202. My presentation topic is the Patriot as a satirical mirror, Nizam Ezekiel, and post-independence Indian identity. So, let's start. So, here is my academic informations. This is table of content which we will discuss in detail. And my research question is, how does Nizam Ezekiel's The Patriot employs a linguistic hybridity and satirical voice to critique post-independence Indian identity? In what ways does the poem reflect the contradictions of nation buildings in Nehruvian India? And my hypothesis is, Ezekiel's The Patriot demonstrate that post-independence Indian identity is marked by contradiction between nationalist rhetoric and lived social realities. Through broken Indian English and satirical self-contradiction, the poem both parodies superficial patriotism and affirms the necessity of rational self-criticism in shaping a modern Indian consciousness. So, introduction. Nizam Ezekiel, as we know, born on 1924 and died on 2004. He often called as the father of modern Indian English poetry, is a pioneer in shaping post-independence Indian literary identity. His poem, The Patriot, published on 1977, is a satirical dramatic monologue that critiques superficial nationalism and exposes the contradictions of post-independence Indian society. The poem Patriot reflects the identity crisis, linguistic hybridity, and false patriotism prevalent in the era. Ezekiel uses Indian English distortion and comic irony to mirror the socio-political reality, highlighting how ordinary Indians negotiate between tradition, modernity, and colonial legacies. So here, historical and literary context. After India gained independence in 1947, the nation experienced a mixed hope, nationalism, and confusion. While the Nehruvian era promised progress and unity, issue like corruption and bureaucratic inefficiency persisted, giving writers rich material to explore the contradiction of a new India. Indian English poetry of this time sought a distinct literary identity, moving beyond colonial influence. Poets like Nizam Ezekiel used irony and satire to reflect social realities, question nationalism, and explore individual identity, making English as a tool for post-colonial expression. And here, key point like a nationalism versus reality, the poem captures the tension between the rhetoric of patriotism and actual societal contradiction in post-independence India. Then literary assertion, Indian English poetry sought to define itself using English to articulate Indian socio-political concern. Modernist irony, Ezekiel employs irony to critique a superficial patriotism and moral pretension. Then post-colonial satire, language and comic elements reveals cultural hybridity, linguistic conflicts, and identity crisis. So here, the patriot structure and voice. Structure of the poem: The Patriot is a dramatic monologue, is a broken Indian English, reflecting the speaker's linguistic hybridity and social background. Its fragmented conversational flow allows Ezekiel to mix humor with social critique, highlighting the speaker's contradiction and shallow patriotism. Dramatic monologue emphasizes a single voice. Indian English reflects post-colonial identity. Fragmented structure mirrors contradictory thoughts, and comic timing enhances satire. And voices like the speaker is a common Indian citizen, proud but superficial in patriotism. Ezekiel uses this voice to critique religion, politics, Gandhism, and East-West tensions. The tone is comic yet critical, making readers reflect on societal contradictions. Ordinary middle class Indian perspective. Exaggerated patriotism shows superficially themes like religion, politics, Gandhism, East versus West, etc. Comic and critical tone. So here, the patriot and its critique. The patriot, the poem shows how the patriot. The poem shows how Nizam Ezekiel is a criticize on criticize on nationalism. Here the thought quote of like, philosophy is not for me but for you all. It represent like how patriotism is reflect on our ideal and virtues. Like then shallow patriotism is about people are believe on believe on dogma like nationalism and all those things, like says all those says like I loving my India and my India. They believe on a nation as a shallow patriotism. Then post-colonial critic here Nizam Ezekiel demonstrate how the post-colonialism is demonstrating in this poem. Then here thematic concerns, identity and nationalism, false patriotism, as we also see, empty slogans and all those things. Then cultural conflict, east versus west. Indians people want to become more modernist and like everyday's life become Western influence and copied Western style. But also being in a traditional values. So religious tolerance versus prejudice and nationhood as a performance. Some peoples in power and nationalism, they all are uses as a misuse, like giving speeches and all those things. But in reality, they act like they act like some misuse of nationalism. Then here, post-independence Indian identity, rhetoric of nationalism versus the reality of patriotism. In The Patriot, Ezekiel parodies the way nationalism often becomes a set of empty slogans rather than lived practice. The speaker loudly proclaims his love for India, but his broken English and contradictory statements reveal superficial understanding. This reflects post-independence India, where leaders and citizens alike celebrated freedom rhetorically, while corruption, communal tension, and inequality persisted. Through satire, Ezekiel shows that being patriotic is not about blind pride or slogans, but about confronting uncomfortable truths. And fractured identity of the common Indian. The speaker, with his hybrid English, mirrors the confusion of an ordinary middle class Indian in post-colonial times, torn between Western ideals and Indian tradition. His pride in India is exaggerated, but his worldview is shallow, symbolizing the fractured, imitative identity of a nation still finding its voice. Ezekiel's use of a comic tone ensure that while we laugh at the speaker, we also recognize our own complexity in such contradiction. The poem, therefore, is not only satire but also a call for self-criticism and rational progress in shaping Indian identity after independence, mean 1947. So, in conclusion, Nizam Ezekiel's The Patriot stands as a sharp satirical mirror of post-independence India, exposing the gap between the rhetoric of nationalism and the lived reality of ordinary citizens. Through the voice of common Indian speaking broken English, Ezekiel highlight linguistic hybridity, shallow patriotism, and fractured identity, urging readers to laugh yet reflect critically. The poem ultimately suggests that true patriotism lies not in empty slogans or exaggerated pride, but in honest self-criticism, rational progress, and the courage to confront social and political contradictions. This is my references. And thank you. Do you have any questions? Then feel free to ask.
So, Divya, my question is, what contradiction of Indian identity does Ezekiel show in The Patriot?
Yes, the contradiction poem shows like Indians people are want to become modern, but also in a religious and and traditions. The speaker mixing the religion, politics, and also Gandhi's idea. And also Gandhi's idea. So this reflect how patriotic is satire and a contradiction of this poem.
Okay, my question is, how does Nizam Ezekias employ satire in the portrait to critique post-independence patriotism?
Ezekiel was deliberately create a speaker who misuse the misuse the as the nationalism and exaggerated claims, how contradictory conflict like religion, politics, and all Gandhian and east versus west, all those things. So here in this poem, he criticized believe on ideal thoughts, not blindly follow on all national thoughts and all those things. So this is from my side. Thank you.